Which of the following properties can be used to show that the expression 5 to the 3 halves is equivalent to the square root of 5 cubed? And again, we have to select all the correct answers. And before we actually start solving this problem here, just want to remind you of something, that we can take 5 to the 3 halves, and what happens is when we convert, got the fraction exponent, when we rewrite this, then what the 5 goes underneath the radical, the 2 goes in the check mark part, it's called the index, and then the 3 goes here. And when there's no number in the check mark part of the radical, it's an understood 2. So I wanted to actually get into the problem. I don't care for this problem. I was able to get the first answer correct, but I'm not sure that I can explain the second one, but we'll see. So 1/3, well, we don't have any 5 to the 9th, and then the 1/3 means cube root. It's not this answer. But the second answer here, the square root of 5 cubed, can be written like this. 5 cubed underneath to the 1/2 power, because part is a 2. That's not written. And then we would superpower the 3 and the 1/2. So 3 times 1/2 is 3 halves, which is this one. Again, on this particular problem, there's no 7 halves in this problem. So I don't think it's this one. But on this here, Edmentum does say that it is this answer. And the best explanation that I can give on this problem here is that they squared 5 to the 3 halves, and they squared 5 cubed. So what happens here when I try to move the iPad is that if you square 5 to the 3 halves, what would happen is that we have to superpower this. And 3 halves times 2 is 3. And then if you square this value as well, which I'll write it down here, 5 cubed squared, what happens is square rooting and squaring cancel each other out, and we get 5 cubed. So again, in this particular problem, I do not think it is the best problem. On the last answer, by the way, there's a 5 halves in there. We don't have anything with 5 halves in there. So I definitely agree with answer 2. I don't really like this one, but this is the answer that they say it is, and I showed you why I believe it is.